guys? Welcome back to the channel. John with the ML4Dirty behind me. I'm going to show you guys how to wire up some simple fog lights pretty quick with a relay. You can do this a whole bunch of different ways. You can wire them to your running lights, your headlights kick on, high beams. I'll just run through the wires real quick and let's get started. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So if you watched tail end of the other video, I was about to mount these things, and after mounting them, I decided I wanted to wire them on a different circuit. Last time, I had them wired to fire up with my high beams. I don't want them on high beams anymore. I want them with just a single click on the headlight switch here. I've got another set of lights for the roof rack, and I'm running those off the auxiliary fog light switch. So this guy, and I think I've got an old video showing that, where to wire into the fuse box for that guy. But this is going to be a lot simpler. It's just one click, and boom, we got a nice bright light. Alright, so in order to get them to fire off a one click as such, it's pretty simple. Pretty simple wiring. Just going to show you how they look real quick, and then give you my justification why I want my fog lights on at all times, even with just one click. I get real tired of this damn beeping noise though, so I'm going to turn these back off. Alright, let's get this out of the way before you guys kill me in the comments. Why do I want these fog lights on all the time? It's going to bother other drivers on the road. Well, good. Because as big and ugly as this thing is, I've almost gotten hit 3 times in just the past week because people don't pay attention. And the weather makes it worse. So even if I'm driving in the daytime, I just kind of want some lights that are different, which the yellow, they really pop out. And maybe somebody will see me before they run into this big hunk of steel up front. It'll save them more than me. I'd just rather not be on the side of the road in a wreck trying to explain why somebody ran into me. Also, the yellow. Why do people go with yellow? It helps contrast in things like whiteout conditions in the snow. It's just a different frequency. It works with your eyes different. I was all about the white light and running shit, nearly blue, up to like, the 6500K range. And it's not good in the snow. And that's what I use this thing for a lot. That's where I'm going to get caught at in the winter at night, because we've got a whole lot less light in the winter. It gets dark early. You need lights to get off the trail.
Damn, son.
Oh. Yo, we're watching this.
Damn.
There's that. Let's get down how to actually wire it. So, without going too in depth about how relays work, I hate running auxiliary anything. Auxiliary lights, amps, all that shit should come off a relay. You don't want to be stealing power off of any other lights. Say your headlight circuit. It's going to pull too much amperage through it, and you're going to be popping fuses, and you're going to be upgrading your fuses and burning up your wires.
I'm on fire! You're not on fire!
So, always better to just run a relay that creates its own circuit, and you're stealing power directly off the battery instead of pulling it through your fuse box, if that makes sense. So I've got a wire, or not a wire, yeah, I got a wire running down to a relay hidden down in the depths of the battery. Let's not contact the flashlight to the positive terminal. All right, I promise you there's a relay hiding down there. So the relay has a positive and a negative hooked to the battery, And then a positive and negative running up here to my lights. They run down there, they split just to the lights. Dedicated circuit just for the fog lights. Now to activate that relay to make power flow from the battery to the lights, that I am piggybacking off of the marker lights. So that would be the green wire on this one. You can see the white one. I'm gonna have to put some insulation on that. That's your high beams. So that wire is only gonna have power when you flip on your high beams. This green wire has power with one click. So I've got my little signal wire clamped into that, and no, I don't recommend these things, but they work for quick jobs like this. The best way, of course, is to cut your wires and properly put them together with solder. Well, I know 95% of us don't do that. I do on occasion, but this is the easy way. Just piggyback off that green wire, and if you have something on this side or you feel like for some reason you want to run it off of this side, that same circuit is a blue wire. White one. Not too bad. Not too bad. Those are some cheap ass lights, and they just kind of work. You can find those for probably 30 bucks on eBay. And then the tint film that I put on them is just the yellow stuff, which you could probably do a 2-ply on that. I only went single, but puts out pretty good yellow light. Like it. And like I said, they're not aimed up high, so they shouldn't be in anybody's face. This is headlights on. So that level up there where the old dead tree is, that is under people's windshields. It's not going to be in their eyes. I've already got the headlights adjusted properly. Then that's high beams. That goes up nice and high. You can tell I've got some really garbage bulbs in the high beams. And swap those out soon. That's the garbage bulbs that came in it. The headlight bulbs are also some garbage, but at least they're LEDs, so they look pretty good. Like I said, I am a fan of nice white light. And shit, I can't remember what heat temperature these ones are. I think they're down to like 53 or 43. It's got a 3 in it. It's whatever the common one is for that one. Yeah, that's what they ended up looking like. Pretty happy with it. Be even happier when I get a roof rack back on the top of this thing and get to fit my big 50-inch bar back out there. That'd be nice. Yeah, the rain's finally gone. You guys haven't seen on the news, we kind of got flooded out here in California. Hence the raincoat, Gore-Tex. Anyways, yeah, man, pretty freaking stoked with this. Looks great. I probably won't drive around just with these at night. They don't really go out to the sides too much. They're more like they're spots, not floods. They're tiny little things, but like I said, might have some better stuff coming soon. Stay tuned, and we'll get that info to you as we get it. Yeah, so like I said earlier in the video, there's a right way and a wrong way to do stuff. This is the right way to do it wrong. I guess the wiring, that's why it's not titled, hey, how to expertly wire your lights. It's basically how to make them work, what circuit to go off of, not so much at how to do it, because if these fail, it's going to be at that connection where it's just kind of quick clamped in there. No big deal if it does fail. I'll probably steal a wire harness off a headlight at the junkyard, splice that bad boy in, and then as I'm doing that, actually splice in the relay wire. That's the right way to do it. But yeah, that's it, guys. So don't forget to hit that little like and subscribe button. That'll help us out. And look forward to more up and coming videos of ML4Dirty. It just dumped a whole bunch of snow up in the mountains, so we'll be up there soon enough. Alright, catch you guys later.